What if we hold on? What if we spice this up a little bit? Can you hear me? Does this work? I don't know if it's work. No, it's not working. Now it should be working. Why is there reverb? Do you want to hear my chicken impression? Okay, I'm done. Nobody make a video out of that. That is very embarrassing. Wait, auto-tune the chicken? Okay, we're gonna auto-tune the chicken. Auto-tune the chicken. Oh, I hope I have to sneeze. Can you imagine sneeze and auto-tune? Just like, let me see. Can I fake sneeze? Achoo! Did I just blast the mic? Wow, that was bad. I'm sorry for your eardrums.